Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Wasan. Today I'm doing a Dutch pour with a blow dryer. I'm trying a blow dryer that didn't work for me before, but I'm gonna try again because the attachment on this hair dryer is fanned out, so it keeps spreading the paint round, not the way that I want it to be. So anyway, here I'm using leftover paints that I scraped off my table from my last pour. It's a metallic dark gray color and it's gorgeous, by the way. I flooded the canvas, well, not the canvas, but it's a wooden board. Yeah, and I made sure that all the edges and the corners are covered fully. And I'm laying down the colors now and the design that I want. I started with silver, then a tiny little bit of black. After that, as you can see, just a little bit of black. And by the way, the video is speeded by 2. I can't remember. I think I used the blue. And this is a Pebeo iridescent blue-green, number 357. And there goes a little big blob of color. Then this is gold. I think it's either Pebeo or Artist Creation. I'm not sure. I had it mixed a while ago. But I think any gold with the right consistency is gonna do. Then I'm adding white, then blue again, then silver. So I'm putting the gold on the edges and then in the center, so all around the design, but in a very, very tiny layer. And then going with the white again, not a lot this time. And we're gonna start the blow dryer. Just wait for the wet result. I turned off my camera prematurely and continued just playing around with the design with my, with some finger swipes. And I think it's pretty good. I mean, it's different and it's beautiful. The colors and the effects are wonderful. So hold on till the end and check it out. So here I'm torching lightly to help the lacing and the cells come out. Usually that happens with iridescent colors, and that's what's going on here. As you can see, all of the nice lacing that popped out from the iridescent blue. And this is the blow dryer that I was telling you about. I've ordered it from Amazon, especially because I had like the right speed, the right size, but the nozzle on it is the wrong shape, and it's not really helping because it's kind of like oval shaped, almond shaped. I don't know how to describe it. And right here I'm trying to just get a little bit more design, change a little bit of the composition. And the black circle that you see is me under it. I don't want you to see my hair because I wear the hijab, so hopefully you don't mind that. Please support me by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification button. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, and just keep my videos playing in the background while you're doing chores or whatever, just so that I get the hours that YouTube needs. And if you could just promote me to your friends, I would be so grateful. Now I'm just doing some finger swipes to separate petals, shapes, and again, I'm just messing around with the design and the composition and seeing what I can get out of this painting or this pour. Right here, I'm just retouching with a little bit of the iridescent blue to finish the leaf because the edges were gone, and just redefining a little bit. At the end, you can see that I did the little swirl in the middle. I forgot about it. I did it off camera apparently after I was done filming. Here comes the wet results. I think it's so pretty. I hope you like it too. If you've enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button again. And thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.